Lock Alexa is basically a training course to know how you can grab the buyer traffic by using Alexa. Here I am inside the sales page of the Alexa and I will give you a small review of this product. But before going into the details, I want to show you that what you will get whenever you will purchase from Lock Alexa from my affiliate link. Here I am inside the review page of the highqualityreview.com, and the below sections you will find check my exclusive bonus packages. Here you will find 17 exclusive bonuses whenever you will purchase this software from my review page. I'll put the link in the description below. So these are the bonuses: WP Slideshow Master Plugin, Video Watermark, One Click Sketch, WordPress Pinterest Portfolio, WordPress YouTube Video Gallery, WordPress Responsive Slider, Bing Ad Mastery, Crazy Traffic Explosion, Instagram Made Simple, Ninja a Facebook Advertising, 10K a month online case study, Free Traffic Frenzy, WP Commission Clocker, Messenger Auto Reply, WordPress Social Streams, Image Links WordPress plugins, and Instagram Growth. These are the 17 bonuses whenever you will get whenever you will purchase the software from this review page. I will put this link in the description below from where you can access that. You just need to land on this page and you click here or any other tab, and you need to purchase this software, and you will receive all of your bonuses in your purchase dashboard of Warrior Plus. Next to your purchase product, you will find a button, and there you will find all 17 exclusive bonuses. Now we are inside this product. Here you can see that get paid super fast, no website or email list is needed, no product creation needed, no paid ads needed. Only you need to leverage the Alexa. Alexa is used by most of the people in US, and by using this platform we can market your product. What are the product we can sell from this platform? Here I have the digital courses you can sell, marketing services, books, nutri supplements, coaching and consulting services, softwares, publish your podcast on Amazon. These are the things you can purchase. And the front end price is $27 only. And this is really a tiny investment. And Mr. Timothy Black is a vendor of this product, and there is a 30 days unconditional money back guarantee. And if for any reason you don't like the software, you can definitely return it back, and they will not ask any questions. They will return you back the full amount without any questions asked. So this is a very good software, and basically it's a training course, and here you will leverage total Alexa to learn that how you can use the Alexa to market your products. And inside the sales page you can check that you need to spend 30 to 45 minutes per day to become successful on this platform. And there are 4 simple steps. 20 to 30 minutes you need to spend to find the businesses that needs your service, and in the step 2, contact them for done for you emails. Email will be given to you, and you need to send the email. Also the email list they will provide. And the third step is get the work done. You have to do the work. The procedure is step by step given in that training course. And the step 4, the collect your payment. It is so simple, 4-step process only. And there you can see that it's a long sales page they have given. And in the below section you can see that there is a 30 days, and there are some bonuses also, that contract paperwork, invoices, 90 minutes trainings, and these are the bonuses from the vendors. And finally you will get the 30 days unconditional money back guarantee. You have no risks with our 30 days money back guarantee. So that's all about the product Lock Alexa. And if you like this product, definitely you can purchase this. That will a new method there you will not find anywhere in the internet, and there that way you can sell more products of your products or services. So that's all about it. If you like, you can visit my review page, and from there you can purchase this software. You will get additionally 17 exclusive bonuses from my end. So that's all about Log Alexa. And thank you. Bye bye.